Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for the latest in science and technology. Today, we have some exciting news from the space industry. Agnikul Cosmos, an innovative Indian aerospace startup, has just achieved a major milestone. They have successfully carried out a suborbital launch of their Agnikul rocket. This event marks a significant step forward in the field of space exploration and technology. The Agnikul rocket, designed and developed by Agnikul Cosmos, is a testament to cutting-edge engineering and technology. This successful suborbital launch showcases the rocket's impressive capabilities and paves the way for future missions. The Agnikul rocket is designed to be highly customizable, capable of carrying different payloads into space. It represents a new era of flexible and efficient space travel, tailored to meet the specific needs of various missions. This achievement is not just a win for Agnikul Cosmos, but also a proud moment for the Indian space industry. The company's efforts are propelling India to the forefront of global space exploration and innovation. In a statement, the team at Agnikul Cosmos expressed their excitement and pride over the successful launch. They emphasized their commitment to continuing to push the boundaries of space technology and exploration. Looking ahead, Agnikul Cosmos has ambitious plans to further develop the Agnikul rocket and expand their capabilities. They aim to conduct more complex missions and contribute significantly to both commercial and scientific space endeavors. This successful launch of the Agnikul rocket is just the beginning. As Agnikul Cosmos continues to innovate and achieve new heights, the future of space travel looks incredibly promising. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in science and technology. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.